Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and in this video I'm going to show you how I package up one of my quilt kits for my Etsy shop for you guys to purchase. I'm going to start with the bottom. This is going to be the cardboard part of the packaging. Including your packaging, you're going to get directions and photo of the quilt. Okay, so you're going to get this in your package, directions, and then you're going to get the instructions on how to make the block. And that'll be included as well as the diagram. Okay, these blocks or kits are already pre-cut. And when I say pre-cut, I mean cut all the way to the exact size that you need to start making your quilt. And start making your quilt blocks. Okay? So I'll put that there. Okay. So here is my, here's all the fabric already pre-cut. And when I say pre-cut, I mean like already cut completely out. All of these are already cut, and I use my die system to cut these pieces out. And if you want to see how I do that, it's in my I have a video. I have a video on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna lay out all the pieces here. Okay, so I'm going to put the cardboard, which is the bottom, give it some stiffness. I'm going to put a pattern right here. And I'm going to take my fabric, and all the fabric pieces are labeled letters. And I want to keep everything nice and straight. Okay. Then I'm going to take these pieces, put them up here. And these long pieces, this is folded. I just fold it in half. Sit it right there. Okay. And then this is also folded in half. Put that there. And then here are other triangles. So I'm put it like that. And then got this. But you're gonna put that right there. And then the rest will go right here. And I'm going to put everything close together. Okay? Then I have right here, you can't see this, but this is the plastic that I use. And I just unrolled a little bit of this. And just cut it off, and then I take this and I open this up. Open this up. Put you guys at a different angle. Alright, you take the plastic. Open that up, and then I'm gonna carefully sit this on here. And I'm just gonna open it out there. Okay. And I try to center it on the plastic. And then go over like that. And then I'm going to want to get it centered. There we go. Over like that. Make sure our pieces are in place. Like that. Okay, so this is the whole quilt kit. And so then I'm gonna wrap it over, making sure my fabric stay in place. Okay. And then I have a heat sealer. Yeah, see this? I have this heat sealer. I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to run it through the heat sealer. And that's going to seal the plastic. This is how I do it. I'm sure there's better ways. I'm gonna make sure I get all that in there. And just bring this down. Hold that down for a few seconds. And this cuts the plastic. Take that off. Pull off the extra. And then I want to run it through the sideways. If you want to heat up the side as well. And then just let's see. Press it down. Give it a few seconds. That cuts it. And take it off. And cut off the extra. And we're going to do the same with the other side. Making sure my fabrics don't shift. Hold that down. Here's your cutter. Okay. Lift that up. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Alright. Alright. And that's how we do that. Now I'm gonna seal it or compress it. Move that out the way. And then we're gonna take have a heat gun. I'm just gonna compress it. You don't want to do too much because it'll melt the plastic. And then it'll come open. And there we go. And that's how I do it. Let me do a little bit more. And make sure the fabrics don't move. Alright. That's good. And then that's how that looks. See? And this is how your kit will look when you get your kit in the mail. And then I just take my label, which tells you everything that's inside. And I just peel that off. And then I just stick that on there. And this is what you get. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.